Hi everyone. Right, I'm just placing this in, put all the bracket in. I've got the wiper things in here because I'm using that to guide it. So I know where it is. I'm going to tighten them up to hold them down. Just nip it up a little bit. Not too much. And then that one, and I'll get back to you when I've done it. Just to keep all this in place because it's really weak in the middle. So, and I've put the airbox in so that everything lines up. And that's where I got to put bracket holes. Other than that, everything's lining up. So probably shortly. Right, work has started on the scuttle. I've got it up to there where there's good metal. I've got all of this to repair, all the way across. I've got to make a new lip. I've got to make a new lip all the way across the top there. That's my job now. I've used these to hold it into position where it belongs. Like that. Starting to clean things up a bit. The airbox is in place. I have got to do a bit more modifications down there a little bit. In there starting to be done. That's the works of it. I've got to build all that. I've tech screwed it here. I've got to get all that to line up nicely around there onto the lip. Oh boy. That's a lot of work. But slowly getting there, look. I've cleaned all the rust off inside this inner wing. So all the rust has gone off there. Right, I'm going to start, I think I'm going to start around this end first. Work my way up there. Everything's in position and ready. I'll start making some templates of this. I'm just going to have to come up and be welded over to this. So I've got to get this exact. So I'll be back with you when I've started doing some of that. I'm going to have to come across and up over onto the good metal. Because there's nothing left there for me to work with. So back with you when I've started that. So yeah, I'm going to start with this bit here. The worst. So I'm going to start making that now, and I'll be back with you when I've got it in place. Just wanted to show you before I started. Okay, back shortly. for the bulkhead lips for the top section. So process using a bolster chisel, good for bending metal. Big hammer. Better enough to show you more. Right, I've made a start on this bit all the way up. Still got more to do to that. I'm now just about to do the front section here because I want to put some strength back into this before I continue finishing that. So I'm going to make a lip all the way across there and I'll be back with you when I've done that. It is rather dark, but this is what I've done so far. All that back lip has been made. All that's in. I've got a front lip. I've just got to grind across that way and then grind up that way to do the square. And then I've got to repair these end pieces. But that's what it looks like. All the middle's done. Just got them end pieces there to do. So the top scuttle's done. All across here. Basically up to make the lip in there. I've got to finish straightening all of this out to give it the lip. I've got the rubber for the window to put in so I can test how straight this is. Then I'm going to tack it and straighten it so it's all solid. We're just going to cut that bit of lip there to match this one. I've got to drill holes in here for the wiper squirters. But yeah. I should be able to start on the bottom scuttle soon because I don't need to go into this one, the top one, too much. I just wanted to get it strong and ready to test fit on top of the under scuttle, the bottom one. Yeah, got myself a new little hammer. Right, yeah. I've got to tap this in, bend that round so that all this is flush. I'm going to make a bit here. Yeah, excellent. Right, I'll see you in the next one. I know this was a short video, but people have been asking me when the next video is and what I've been doing. As you can see, I'm out here in the dark. I have got a little work light. There you go. There'll be more coming on that soon. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, which hopefully won't be as long. So that's what I've been doing. It's got all the front lip made. Just got them end pieces right there to do. These end pieces here, got them to build. Other than that, the rest of it is done on the top. Top's finished. I've got, can't really see, but I've got from here to there to make, but I've got to make this end piece here anyway. I've left that bit, same on the other side. So lots more to come. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.